Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Woof Wix haul, and I actually have a second order coming today or tomorrow, because after I smelled this order, I went back in and placed another one because I absolutely loved almost everything. I think I need to go back and smell, but the things I did pick were things that I smelled and I was like, oh, why didn't I get more of this? So Sasha introduced me to Woof Wix, so thank you for that, because I have been loving their website, their the dog logo that they have going on. Super creative to me. And so some other YouTubers that I have seen haul Woof Wix, or that I find, you know, that their reviews are reputable and all that. I've seen Nikki's Wax Diaries. I think she has quite a few hauls on YouTube. And then of course Sasha from Sasha Isms. Also on Instagram, Lushgram and Waxgram. Well, she's Lushgram, and then she started a Waxgram because she started to get into wax. I've seen her talk about Woof Wix as well. So here is Woof Wix card, and there's all that jazz. I just love, and I think this is their dog, and I don't know the name or whatever, but their Facebook group is so adorable. Like, people go in there and they post a lot of like dog related things, and like when you see like the notes and stuff, so it says, Kimberly, thank you tons for another Pawsome order. So they use like dog terms. We're so happy that you're loving your melts, your Pawsome. Enjoy, Amber and Steven. And as I said in my last video, they are the couple that run the company, and they are amazing. They seem super sweet. So as I said in my last video as well, the labeling on their stuff is so freaking cute. There is nothing I would change about their labeling at all. Love the, just that right there is enough for me. So I went in the group and I was like, I missed the carnival part. So I was talking about my samples because I really liked them. And this is Canine Carnival. I thought it was just called Canine because I just saw a canine. I didn't see the carnival part. I was too busy like looking at the dog, I think. But so I got 3 samples, which is super generous. And actually that caused me to go back in and place another order. So I'm glad they send a variety. So when I got this, I don't know why, I thought it was like a feminine, girly type scent, but being Canine Carnival, I'm guessing there's going to be some, you know, obviously, like, I feel like maybe cotton candy, or I don't know. It just smells sweet and girly to me, but it's got to be, it's got to be like a carnival type scent. But it just smells really good to me. So I can't wait to see like what the actual blend of that is. I think they might have said in the group. I don't remember. So they did send fresh air. I'm always going to love like fresh air type scents, or any kind of laundry. And yeah, that's just a fresh air. You know, I wish I knew like what the oil was, but I can't. I'm just not like good with that. This is just what it is. Fresh air. Just clean. Just a really good one to warm if you're cleaning, or if you just want something like to just air out. If you have animals, like our dog's bed is back in our bedroom, and this one would be a good one to put back there, because it seems like we're always fighting like dog smell. Okay, and this one I went back and ordered because I loved this one. This is pea upside down pineapple cake. So, and look at the label. Oh my gosh, like I can't with this. Okay, there we go. This one to me, I feel like, so I went back and ordered it because as soon as I smelled it, I liked it a lot. I feel like there's definitely a very strong bakery note in there. I don't get a lot of pineapple in here, but it smells more like pie crust to me. Like it has a pie crust, and I don't know, just a bakery goodness. I don't get a lot of pineapple in that one though. And maybe when I get a bigger size in it, maybe I'll be able to smell the pineapple. Because sometimes in sample scents, you know, you got to kind of really stick your nose down there to smell stuff. So now some of these I don't know the exact scent notes, but I did notice last time on my receipt that they do include some of the scent notes on there, and they did that this time as well. So the first one I have is Birthday Boy, and this is cake batter, ice cream, strawberry cake, and sugar cookie dough. I was like, that's right up my alley. So again, I'm just gonna go off on the labels because I think they are perfect. This is just good. This is just a good like strawberry type of cake. It kind of reminds me of, let's see. Yeah, it reminds me almost exactly of, and I'm just going to say it because someone was just like, you know, if you mention like a comment, and like if you say that a scent smells like so-and-so, just say the vendor. So I don't like usually like doing that in vendor hauls or whatever, but I'm just going to say, I think it smells like Happy Birthday from Super Tarts. Notice how I said that really fast so I could just like get it out there, but I feel like it smells a lot like Happy Birthday. Maybe just a little different. I feel like the strawberry in here maybe isn't as strong as Happy Birthday, but it does smell very similar. So that's Birthday Boy. And then Coffee Puppuccino. Look at that donut. That is so cute. Okay, so Coffee Puppuccino, and I don't have a scent description, but I'm sure it's like a coffee blend, obviously. Oh, and that's good. That is definitely coffee. It's a sweet coffee, which I really like. I feel like it has maybe some sort of whipped cream in there. Or like a, yeah, like a, you know, like you would get if you were to get like a mixed drink or an iced drink. You know, they would add some milk or heavy cream or whatever. So that one's really nice. Also, this one was talked about, like, everyone was saying that this one kind of made a return. I love, oh my gosh, the graphic on that. The little laundry basket. I don't know. I'm obsessed with like little miniature type things there. And that miniature laundry basket is just calling to me. I don't know why. I don't know what he's got going on up there. Is that like grapes? And oh, grape snuggle, duh. Okay. I was like, what's going on up there? And then, yeah, okay. So grape snuggle. I thought this sounded like such an interesting combination. I mean, because grapes and snuggle, I've never seen, I mean, I don't know. I guess, like, I've been in the wax world for a while, but, you know, sometimes I miss scents because they just don't, like, appeal to me or call to me, and grape is not one of them. So I don't know. Somebody might have done this blend before, but I don't feel like I've seen this before. So I feel like it's really unique to Woof Wix. And this smells really good. Like, I mean, it's hard to believe that grape and snuggle would smell good together, but they do. It's not overly grape scented either. It just kind of gives the snuggle like a little bit of a different touch. And I love that one. Really, really do. I think I grabbed another one of that because I really liked it. Sorry, I feel like I have cat hair in my nose. Like the cat was moping around here earlier. I don't know what her problem was, but I love also too the way they pour their wax. I love that it's like two colors. So this is Mr. Wolf, and I did a sample of this one back in the bedroom again, and it was another amazing performer. Mr. Wolf. This I feel like is, I'm trying to remember, I think it's mahogany, teakwood, and maybe coconut. Oh, this is like the best manly scent. Oh, if you want a manly scent, like a sexy man, this Mr. Wolf is totally it. My husband liked this one a lot as well. He was like, I remember when I did the sample, he's like, can you get me another one of those? And I'm like, no. I'm like, we don't have any more. I'm like, the one you had was a sample. And he's like, oh, he's like, well, can you try to get some more of that? Because he really liked it too. So, all right. The next one I have is, and I don't have scent description for this one, but I think I kind of remember. It's Pirate Pup. And I think this is like salty sea air, toasted marshmallow, and I feel like some sort of bakery element. Oh, I can't remember. So, yeah, I think it has a bakery element in there. No, did it have lavender? I don't think so. Salty sea air, toasted marshmallow, something else. That one is good. I remember definitely liking that one when I smelled it. So you can't really go wrong with anything with toasted marshmallow, in my opinion. And then also, okay, so the last one I got is, oh, this is Holiday Feast. And this one is zucchini bread, banana walnut cake, and pie crust. And I just couldn't resist. The last banana scent I had from them was with laundry, and that one was amazing. So I was like all over that. I also appreciate that they put their stuff in a small box. This is like the, whoops, oh crap, I lost my lid there. They put it in a, let's see, what is this? It's the small postal mailing box. I can't remember. It's, let's see, 7 by 7 by 6. And they put a lot of padding, and they put their cute paw tissue paper in there. And sometimes with scent cups, you have to be careful like how you ship them. If you put them in a padded flat rate envelope, sometimes they can get crushed in transit if you're not careful. Oh, that smells so, so good. So I love pie crust blends. Any kind of pie crust blends. And that one is pretty heavy on the pie crust. I like zucchini bread. And that banana walnut cake just right on top of all that. It's not, I feel like the banana walnut cake is not strong on cold, but I definitely get the pie crust and zucchini bread. Okay, so that is that. That is the last of my order. Like I said, I have a second order coming. There were a few things that I wanted to grab more of. I love, like, I'm loving this company so far. I say this company, I mean Woof Wix. I don't know, it's early. But yeah, so just, I need to straighten out my camera. This is not working for me. But anyway, so there's my order. So just, if you're interested in them, just give them a try. They have a lot of different options for purchasing. I mean, I don't feel like they don't have like huge lows, I don't think. You know, everything is very reasonably priced, so you can try some stuff without having to spend like a fortune on trying out a scent. So I love that about them. Very active Facebook group. The owners seem really nice. And yeah, so check out Nikki's Wax Diary. She has quite a few hauls of this. Sasha is the one who introduced me to this company, so thank you, Sasha. And then Waxgram, who's on Instagram, and she also has a Lushgram if you're interested in Lush. Really like her too. And I know I feel like I've seen some other people, I don't know, sometimes when I get in Facebook groups and I haven't been in them for a while, I don't recognize a lot of names, but yeah, those are just the ones. And I feel like Leanne has probably hauled this, or see, she doesn't have a lot of time to haul things, but she does talk about things in her warm reviews, and I feel like she's talked about this one too. But anyways, okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, whatever, just put it down below. And like I said, I always try to answer. And I am like slightly behind on comments right now, but I do try to get in there and make sure I answer everyone. So, okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching again, as always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.